Hi, this is Miss Brittany's class meeting for the week of April 13th to April 17th. And today we're just going to be talking about the calendar again a little bit, the seasons, some shapes, and then some hygiene in regards to brushing your teeth. So we're going to start off with the calendar, and like we said last time, we're in the month of April, and the year is 2020, and this week is going to be Monday, April 13th, and then it will end on Friday, April 17th. So there's that. And then we are going to talk about the seasons changing since we just had winter end and now we're in spring. So here's a little picture of all of the different seasons. We were just in winter where it was snowing, it was cold, we had to wear our coats. And now we are in spring, so it's getting a little bit warmer. There's flowers that are starting to grow, birds are coming back. Next is going to be summer, and that's this one. Summer is when it gets hot, we can go swimming, we can go on vacations usually. We'll have another break from school in the summer. And then after summer, it starts to get a little bit cooler. And that's when fall comes around. And that's when we have to start wearing our jackets again. The leaves start to fall off of the trees. And it starts getting colder and preparing for winter. So then next we're going to talk about all of our shapes. Here's some of our shapes. We have a circle, that's a circle, and then there's a square, that's a square, and then we have a rectangle, which kind of looks like a square, but it's a little bit longer on two of the sides and a little bit shorter on the other two sides. And then we have our triangle, which has three sides. We have an oval, which kind of looks like a circle, except it's a little smushed. And then we have a rhombus or a diamond. And then you can see in the bottom we have some stars, and at the top we have some stars. So those are our shapes. And then we're going to talk about hygiene. We're going to talk about brushing our teeth because that's really important to have good health. You want to make sure that your teeth are being brushed twice a day, at morning and at night. And then you want to make sure that you floss every day or every other day to help get rid of some leftover food that might be caught in between your teeth. And it makes your breath smell good, so that also adds to good hygiene. So first, when brushing our teeth, we need to get our toothbrush, and then next we need to get our toothpaste from the bathroom. And while we're in the bathroom, we need to put our toothpaste on our toothbrush, and then we need to, you can either wet your toothbrush before you start brushing, or you can wait to rinse it until after. But then you will use back and forth motions and circular motions to brush the front of your teeth, the top and the bottom, and then you'll brush the sides of your mouth, both sides of your teeth, with back and forth and circular motions, just to make sure that you're cleaning your teeth really well, and getting rid of all of the germs and bacteria that are building up in there. And it helps you from getting sick. And then after you brush all of your teeth, you're going to brush your tongue. So you just stick your tongue out and then you brush it with your brush, making sure that your toothpaste is still on there. You brush them the same way that you were brushing your teeth, just back and forth motions. And then after you brush your tongue, you're going to rinse with water or with mouthwash to make sure that you get all of your toothpaste out of your mouth, and also to make your mouth cleaner. And then lastly, you're going to floss after you've rinsed your mouth and brushed your teeth, and making sure that we're flossing at least once a day to help get all of that extra food out from underneath your teeth or in between your teeth. really helps. So yeah, that's all that I have. Bye. I'll see you next time.